Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a braided bun hack to do your hair in under 2 minutes. To start, I've left a little bit of hair out at the front just to soften the look a little bit. And I'm going to sweep the hair back into a mid-height ponytail. I've added some wax spray to control flyaways and give a little hold without it being too sticky. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then I'm loosening everything up by pinching and pulling the hair. I've divided the ponytail into 3 sections and I'm going to do a 3-strand braid. But I'm going to do it with a little bit of a difference. So every time I take a section on the outside, I'm going to twist it and then add it to the middle. So twist the hair on the left hand side, add it to the middle, twist the hair on the right hand side, then add it to the middle. And I'm going to do this all the way down to the bottom of the hair and secure it with a clear elastic band. Add some texture powder over your braid and then really pinch and pull every loop and twist. This gives it a lot more texture and volume. And then we're simply going to take that twist and wrap it around the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath so you can't see them. Then just secure around the outside of your bun with as many bobby pins as needed. I leave mine closed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.